Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and I'm going to show you how to make flaxseed gel for your hair the right way using a French press. Now, if you don't know, flaxseed gel has many benefits for your hair. It promotes hair growth, scalp health, it can define your curls, it can give you moisture, and so much more, okay? So, just so you know, when you make a batch of flaxseed gel, you can reuse the seeds, as I done here. In this batch, I had put dry rosemary from my spice cabinet in this batch. And then I'm going to reuse the seeds in this batch, and I'm going to add some new seeds too as well. Okay? So all you need is maybe 2 cups of water in your pot, okay? And eyeball your flax seeds. Now, you could do maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons depending on your preference. So I'm just going to reuse mine, and I'm going to add some more. I'm going to do that off camera. Give me one moment. Now, as you can see, I have a pot, and it has some water in it, like about 2 cups. This is the old flaxseed, and these are the new flax seeds that I just added. On high heat and stirring occasionally, your flax seeds should start to look like this. Now, to tell if your flaxseed is ready, when you pick it up and it starts to do like this, you see how it's dripping slowly and it's not there. You see that drip? That's what you want. That's what you want to see, okay? So now I'm going to show you how I strain it, because it's been about 10-15 minutes already. Like I said, occasionally stirring it, and it's pretty thick. All right, so I'll be back. So now, as you can see, that I have the top of my French press, and now I'm just going to pour. I'm doing it with one hand, so bear with me. Pour that into pour the flaxseed gel into my French press, like so. Okay. Now I have a little French press, but if you had a bigger one, this would be so much better. But anyway, you put the lid on, right? And look how easy this is going to be. Save your time, the stress, everything, okay? Now, there's not really many seeds in this one, but you get the point, right? And then now you just pour it in. Okay. All right. Now, come on, get that little drip off. All right, so now I'm going to pull it back up. Bear with me, because I'm doing this with one hand, okay? Now, I'm going to add the rest of it in there, okay? And you can see. Bam! Get up in there, right? All right, and so then I'm going to put the French press top back on. And then I'm going to, you see all the seeds in there? Save yourself the time. That's a little thicker. Move slowly, okay? So this is how I make my flaxseed gel using a French press, okay? And so, hopefully this was helpful. Please, once again, like, subscribe, and give a thumbs up, and leave a comment.